Hello, welcome to HTML and CSS for complete beginners. This tutorial is designed to give you a quick start with HTML and CSS by building a practical project. No prior experience or knowledge is required. Let's take a quick look at what we will cover in this tutorial. Basic HTML. We will start with understanding the essential HTML tags like div, paragraph, heading, and more. CSS basics. Learn about CSS selectors, properties, the box model, and more to style your page. Lists and dictionaries, tables, forms, media, navigation and responsive design. Let's get started. See you in the next lesson.